Hi there. Beautiful day, isn't it?
It really is. Perfect weather for being near the water.
I was just thinking that. Makes me miss the sea.
Oh, you like the sea too? That's great.
Love it. Do you go often?
Not as much as I'd like to, honestly. Life gets busy.
I know that feeling well. What's your favorite way to enjoy it?
Probably just sitting on the sand, watching the waves. Very relaxing.
That's peaceful. I'm more of an active person usually.
Oh, really? Like what? Swimming?
Sometimes. I love sailing, even just small boats. Have you ever tried it?
A little, years ago. I felt a bit clumsy with the ropes.
It takes practice for sure. Are you more of a lake person then?
Not necessarily. I love the idea of the ocean, the vastness of it.
The vastness is incredible. Have you ever seen a truly huge ocean storm from a safe distance?
I haven't, actually. That sounds both terrifying and amazing.
It's a humbling sight. What about near the coast? Do you like beach walks?
Absolutely, especially early in the morning when it's quiet.
Yes, before all the crowds arrive. Do you ever look for sea glass?
I do. It's like a little treasure hunt. Have you found any good pieces?
I found a beautiful cobalt blue piece once. It felt like winning the lottery.
Wow, cobalt blue is rare. That's fantastic. What do you do with yours?
I keep them in a little jar on my desk, a constant reminder.
That's a sweet idea. Do you live close to the coast now?
Not as close as I'd like, about an hour's drive. You?
About 2 hours for me. It makes those weekend trips feel extra special.
It does. Are you planning any trips soon?
I'm hoping to go in the spring, maybe just a quick overnight trip.
That sounds perfect for a reset. Do you prefer quiet beaches or busier ones?
Definitely quiet. I look for places where you can hear the gulls more than the music.
I completely agree. Are you a sunset or a sunrise person at the beach?
Ooh, tough one. I'd have to say sunset. It feels more dramatic.
Sunsets are stunning over the water. Do you ever try to stay out late and stargaze by the water?
I've tried, but the sound of the waves always makes me want to head back to my cozy spot.
I get that. It's hard to resist the call of a warm blanket.
Exactly. What about food? Do you have a must-have beach snack?
Good question. Simple is best. Salty chips, usually. Nothing that attracts too many bugs.
Smart thinking. I always bring an overpacked cooler, usually too much food.
That's the best way to do it, though. More snacks is never a bad thing.
True. Have you ever tried fishing from a pier?
I've watched people do it. I'm not much of a patient fisher myself.
Me neither. I admire the patience, though. It seems very meditative.
It does. Well, this has been a lovely chat. You've made me want to check the tide charts.
You too. It was great talking about the ocean with you.
You too. Have a wonderful rest of your day.
You as well. Hopefully we both get to the sea soon.